Dreams are powerful, limitless aspirations that shape our lives. They are the blueprints of our destinies, the whispers of our hearts. As children, we dream without doubt or fear, but adulthood can dim our dreams. Dreams are ageless and open to everyone, regardless of background or circumstances. They drive innovation and have led to remarkable human achievements. Dreamers like Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King Jr. changed the world with their dreams. So make dreams a reality. Take action and embrace challenges as stepping stones. Surround yourself with supportive dreamers who believe in your potential. Your dreams are a gift to the world. They inspire, uplift, and change lives. Dream boldly, act courageously, and never let anyone dim your imagination. Let your dreams go viral, infecting the world with the belief that anything is possible. Dreamers, the world is waiting for your dreams to become reality. Ignite the flame of possibility within you and set the world ablaze with your passion, vision, and determination.